Happy Sunday, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope you all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. Yes It's going to be oven baked chicken recipe that I've got to share with you guys today, and I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got full chicken weighing about 2 pounds, and also clean and finished with pat drying, as you guys can see.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
First, I'm going to start by creating my first marinade, which I am going to use to stuff the chicken. And the ingredients you will need is 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of onions granules, then I will go ahead and mix it until it's nice and soft. And once everything is nice and soft, I'm going to add a zest of 1 lemon and also a juice of 1 lemon. Then finally a small portion of fresh parsley. Then I will follow by give it another mix until it's well blended, and I will set it aside for later. So guys, before I start to put the marinade, I wanted to show to you guys underneath this chicken skin I have created some small cuts, and the cuts that I've created is to allow the marinade to basically soak well with the chicken and keep it nice and moist. So next, what I'm going to do guys, I am going to basically stuff the marinade underneath the skin of the chicken until I'm satisfied with the quantity, and I will repeat the same around the legs part. And once I finish marinating the chicken, I am going to pin the chicken skin using a toothpick in order to hold the chicken skin in place while it's cooking.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
Okay guys, so now that I have finished marinating the chicken, I am going to show you a simple recipe which I'm going to mix it together, followed by rubbing it onto the chicken. So the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper, a teaspoon of grounded white pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt to taste, as we do not need much salt since the butter is already salty. Then give it a good mix. Follow by adding a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then mix it again and set it aside for later. Okay guys, now that I've finished creating my dried wrap, it's time to rub it onto the chicken. But before I rub it onto the chicken, I am going to quickly spray the chicken using some oil spray that will allow the dry marinade to stick with the chicken skin and keep it nice and crispy during the cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it all over the chicken until well coated. And once it's well coated, I'm going to cover it, then let it marinate for at least 3 hours. But remember guys, the longer you leave your chicken to marinate, the better. Okay guys, it's time to check our chicken, and it's been 3 hours since it's marinating, so it's time to start baking. But before I transfer the chicken onto the pan, I'm going to quickly use the remaining marinade that I used to stuff the chicken to rub all over the pan, and that is to give a little bit of grease to the pan to help the chicken cook while remaining soft and moist. Then I will follow by taking it to the oven. And I will oven bake it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes. But as always guys, if you are doing the same as me, make sure to keep eye on the cooking so it cooks properly and also doesn't burn. Okay guys, it's time to check our chicken, and it's now cooked. As you guys can see, as always, it looks crispy from the outside and moist from the inside. Yummy. So I'm going to allow it to rest for about 5 minutes before serving, and I will be serving this with a bit of jollof rice and a side salad. But you can serve this with any other dish and it will taste delicious. Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in a comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.